I'm coming to you live from Mott's Corner, South Carolina. As you're hopping on, put a 1 in the comments if you are watching me live. If that little live is up there in the corner, put a 1. If it is not, and I missed you, please put I miss you or replay. Okay, so I went live with these the other day, and for some reason, there was no sound on my video. If you can hear me, drop your favorite emoji in the comments. Okay, so this is called No Bake Keto Low Carb Peanut Butter Bars, and they are super delicious. I did make them the other day. I have some already made, so we'll get to do the taste test and everything right there together. Okay, so it calls for 1 cup of peanut butter. Sorry, I forgot to turn off my volume. It calls for 1 cup of peanut butter, but I am actually making 2 batches this time because I have people that want some. So I'm putting 2, oh, I'm about to start off wrong. Look at me, look at me. First, I gotta put 4 tablespoons of softened butter in here, but I'm making 2 batches, so I'm putting 8 tablespoons, and I gotta mix it up real quick, and it's gonna get a little noisy. Okay, and now I'm going to add the calls for 2/3 cup of Swerve powdered sugar, but I have a cup and 1/3. And it calls for 2 tablespoons of coconut flour and 2 tables of coconut flour. And I got 4 tablespoons. And it calls for 1 cup of peanut butter. So I got me 2 cups of peanut butter right here. I love these little things right here. This little thing measures out 1 cup. It's got a line that says 1 cup, and then it's got a line that says 2 cups. I absolutely love these little bowls. Alright, so now I'm about to mix it up again. Y'all know I'm about to make a big old mess. That's how we do. Until it's all fluffy like so. It's super good like this. Before you even put the chocolate on there, it's awesome. Alright, so let me get a spatula. Okay, hopefully I have more luck than I did the last time I made these things, because this stuff is sticky and it doesn't want to go in this pan. It's the directions say smooth it out. But I am not a baker. Anybody can do this. I don't even usually cook. My husband is the cook in the house. He does an amazing job. So I don't do the cooking. So if I can do this, anybody, anywhere could do this. Smooth it out. looks way better than the last time I did it. That's for sure. Alright guys, also while I'm doing this, I'm going to let you know about the jump. The jump starts on the 8th. The jump is a 14-day program. 14 coaches, a custom website where you can go and make your own, pick your own plans, pick your own exercise routines that you want to do, and pick your meal plans. The last jump ended a week ago. I lost 7 pounds and 8 inches total between my arms, my legs, my hips, and my thighs. Okay, so now I gotta put this in the freezer for 10 minutes. Oh, look at that, that's good. Alright, and while that's doing, I'm gonna do the topping. The topping calls for 1 tablespoon of butter and 3 ounces of Lily's cream milk chocolate chips. So I got 6 ounces of chocolate chips and 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to throw this in the microwave for 15-second intervals. It's going to be so good. Alright guys, so remember, if you want this recipe or any more, drop recipes in the comments and I will get you added to the group. And as soon as I get done with this, I am going to show you what it looks like when it's already made. Chips on the spoon. Come on, come on. Alright, we're going to do that for 15 more seconds, and we're going to stir them up again. So you see, it's super easy. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Eating healthier, eating better is not hard. It's just an adjustment. You just have to start with baby steps, little habits. Alright, so 15 more seconds and it should be good and melted. Don't forget to tell me where you're coming from when you hop on. I love to see who my lives are reaching. Hey Ashley. How are you, beautiful? Hey Tori. Okay, so that should be good. I got the butter and the Lily's milk chocolate chips all melted together. That's going to be our topping. And it's going to go on top of our peanut butter fluff here. And I can already tell y'all it's going to be delicious because I made it the other day. Yeah. Ashley, did y'all get affected by the storm? There was a tornado that hit down beside the Big Lots or hit Big Lots in Moncks Corner. is what it looks like. We're going to stick it in the freezer for a couple of hours or for overnight. And this is what it's going to look like when it's done. These little peanut butter chocolate bars, they're really good. Delicious, easy, quick snack that would be way better than you eating Reese's. Or me eating Reese's. That used to be my favorite candy. Alright guys, so I absolutely love and appreciate y'all. Thanks for hopping on. Thanks for watching. If you could share, I would really appreciate it. Sharing is caring. And also, if you share, put shared in the comments or message me shared so I can get you entered to win free product. I hope you have an amazing night. Stay safe. Bye.